Check this out, this is the brand new 18 volt cooler and warmer from Makita. It's got 20 litres of capacity, which will fit 30 cans of your favourite lemonade inside, and the lid seals down to keep the temperature in and also to lock out the dust and moisture from the job site. But it's still easy to open whenever you're thirsty. And this unit can be powered 3 ways: from a 240 volt outlet where available, from your car outlet when you're camping or off-roading, and you can also power with an LXT 18 volt Makita battery. Now it's got a really bright, easy to read display, which includes battery indicators, which is really useful as well. And the controls and the whole system, very simple. Now I've got an early release here from Japan. It's identical to the Australian release in every way, except for the artwork on the power and the settings key below it. Whether you're plugged into the wall, the car outlet, or batteries, power it on with that top left button, and the settings button below it will switch it between heating or cooling. When cooling, there's 5 incremental temperature settings to choose from. When heating, there are 2, 55 and 60. FYI, 60 degrees is the Australian standard for minimum food reheating. Once you've chosen your desired temperature, which is blinking, it'll come on with a solid temperature, which is the actual temperature inside. Now, it only requires one 18 volt battery to operate, but it does have 2 battery slots to increase your runtime. With 2 6 amp hour 18 volt batteries at a regular chill of 5 degrees Celsius, the same as your fridge at home, you'll get 17 hours of continuous runtime. If you crack it all the way down to minus 18 degrees, the minimum temperature, you'll get 5 hours of continuous runtime on those same 2 batteries. If you crank it all the way up to 60 degrees Celsius, you'll get 4 hours. Coincidentally, I put 20 cans of Coke in there. They were room temperature, 22 degrees. It took about 30 minutes to get them down to 5 degrees, ready for drinking. The batteries are housed inside to stay dry. There's also a USB port in there to charge your phone while you work. Nice big chunky handle so you can tow it along behind you without bending your back on those rear wheels. Tucks away nicely. The whole thing doubles as a smoko seat as well. And don't forget that handy little bottle opener on the side there to get you started at the end of the day. You've got no excuses now. Keep your drinks cold, keep the pies warm with the 18 volt cooler and warmer from Makita. It's available at all Sydney Tools stores mid-December 2020. Check it out online, sydneytools.com.au. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.